In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for your Behance profile. Now, Behance doesn't offer a built-in QR code generator, but no worries, we'll be using a simple workaround to make it happen. This is a great way to make it easy for others to access your portfolio quickly, whether you're showcasing your work at a networking event or adding it to your business card. Let's dive in, and I'll walk you through the steps. First, you'll need to get your Behance profile link. Start by logging into your Behance account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile page. This is where all of your projects and personal information are displayed. In most browsers, you'll find the URL at the top of the screen. It usually looks something like https://www.behance.net, followed by your unique profile identifier. Go ahead and copy this link. Make sure you have the entire URL copied accurately, as this will be crucial for the next step. With your profile link ready, it's time to move on to generating the QR code. There are tons of free QR code generators available online, and I'll be naming one you might find useful: QR Code Generator. This tool is straightforward and user-friendly, perfect for what we're trying to achieve. Once you're on the QR Code Generator site, paste your Behance profile link into the designated field. Now, here's where you can add a little flair to your QR code if you want. Several QR code generators let you customize your design. You could change the color, add a frame, or even include a small logo in the center. These little tweaks can make your QR code more visually appealing and aligned with your personal or professional branding. If you're planning to print this QR code on physical materials, choosing contrasting colors that stand out clearly is a smart move. After you've perfected the look and feel of your QR code, it's time to download it. You'll typically find options to download the QR code in various formats, with PNG, JPG, or SVG being the most common. Choose the format that best suits your needs. PNG is great for most digital and print purposes because it maintains quality. But if you're planning to edit the QR code further or require scalability, you might opt for an SVG. And there you have it, your custom Behance profile QR code ready to go. Now you can share your portfolio quickly and effectively in any setting. Whether people are scanning it from a screen or a piece of paper, they'll be able to access your work with just a few taps on their phone. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy creating!